what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Ashrita. If you haven't subscribed already, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And again, in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm back here with another haul video. You must be thinking I'm crazy buying all these stuffs and making haul videos. You're actually not wrong. I am crazy. I keep buying stuff, so I'm like, why not just make a video and show you guys what I've bought. So in case you guys are also looking for something, you can definitely go check these out. So in today's video, we are going to be seeing everyday casual wear kurta sets, which is perfect for this summer, and college is also reopening in like a month or two. So these kurta sets will be perfect for you, whether you're going for college or you're going for office, or you just want to throw on something and not be worried about too much styling and all of that stuff. These kurta sets are perfect. So if you're interested, please do continue watching. So as usual, let's start with my most favorite piece. So the first one is this beautiful chikankari kurta set. Not just a kurta, it's a kurta set. It is cotton, but it is flowy and not stiff. It has this beautiful embroidery work going on here at the neck, and we have a 3/4 sleeve, again a border and this embroidery work going on, and then we also have this like a border kind of situation going on at the bottom of the kurti. It's so flowy and I just love this kurta set so much. When I tell you I love this, I can't emphasize on how much I love this kurta set. It's so beautiful, and the best part about this is that it's not see-through. You do not have to buy anything to wear inside. And then we have a pant. The entire pant is fully plain, and at the bottom we have this little flower kind of embroidery work going on that's there in the kurta as well. And then we have a little border detailing. It does not have any pockets, but the way it just fits and sits on the body, stunning, absolutely stunning. I'm so in love with this one. Next we have a plain white kurta set, which is this one right here. It's just a plain kurta set. There's not much detailing or anything going on. We just have like a beautiful Chinese collar, and we have this button detailing, although you can remove only the first button, and after that it's fully stitched. We have a little cut at the bottom, and you know what the best part about this is? It has two freaking pockets, which is so amazing. I love how it fits, and it makes you look, because the kurta is like super long, it makes me look taller, and it also gives such a nice like corporate vibe, but in an Indian way, if that makes sense. So I love that, but the only bummer is that the kurta is slightly transparent, so you might want to wear something on the inside. But apart from that, I love this. Again, we have a pant. It's not a straight fit, but it's not like a palazzo as well. It's more of just a plain wide leg kind of a pant. We have this little thread detailing going on all over the pant and the kurta. This one is also available in various colors. White was the one that really caught my attention, so I got the white one. Moving on to another very pretty kurta set. It's this one right here. This is one of the most beautiful kurta sets I've ever seen because of the dupatta, which I will show it in the end. It's again just a plain kurta with this little silver work going on, and then we have a cut here like a proper kurta. Again, near the cut we have this beautiful silver detailing. This one sleeve is basically just two threads. You just have to tie it, and again in the tassel we have this beautiful silver thingy that ties the whole kurta together. So this is how it looks like. I absolutely love the sleeves, and it looks so beautiful. Again, the only bummer with this is also that it's slightly transparent. Again, we have a straight fit pant. It's not like a palazzo pant, it's a straight fit pant. It does not have pockets. When you wear the kurta, the way it just sits on your body, and when it touches your body, it gives such a cooling feeling. I don't know if it makes sense, but it gives such a cooling feeling, and it's so flowy. Now comes the best part, which is the dupatta, and this is how the dupatta looks like. It is so beautiful, so flowy, and we have this little silver detailing going on. It's like a leheria kind of a pattern with chiffon material dupatta. You know how chiffon is one of the most comfiest fabrics that you can put on your body. It gives such, you know, Dharma movie's main character vibes. You remember Sushmita Sen's entry in the movie Main Hoon Na? It's almost like that. Or Amrita Rao's transformation entry in the same movie. She wears these similar kind of kurta sets in the movie, where she just like throws on the dupatta, and it gives such main character vibes. Next, again we have like a full proper kurta set with pant, kurta and a dupatta, and it's a very basic and simple cotton kurta set that you can just wear for college or some office meeting-ish. And it's this one right here. It's just a plain pink kurta with white thread work going on with 3/4 sleeves, and we have a small button here. Apart from that, there's absolutely nothing. It's just a plain kurta, and the pant is also pretty basic and plain, just like the kurta. Same color, same thread work going on. The star of the set is the dupatta. I know this fabric, I just do not know the name of this fabric. So this is how the dupatta looks like, and you have this little flowery detailing going on. Because the entire kurta and the pant is simple, the dupatta has work and it ties the entire look together. I actually love these kind of kurta sets where the entire look is simple and you have nice detailed dupatta along with it. Again, this one gives a very Gautam Vasudev movie main character vibes. This dupatta has tassel detailing going on here. This one would be perfect for college and office wear. If you're going for some meeting where you wanna wear something Indian but look a little corporate-ish, this one would be perfect for that. Just wear this and carry a nice tote bag with a nice sandals and your laptop, and it'll just look so good. Next we have a black kurta set, which is again very beautiful, and it has beautiful embroidery work going on, and that's this one right here. It has a nice V-neck, and then we have this beautiful embroidered work going on, and 3/4 sleeves with again nice beautiful embroidered work going on. And even at the bottoms there's so much work, and at the bottom it has this anarkali kind of a pattern which makes it super flowy, and it looks so good, especially for someone like me who's skinny. These kind of kurtis will look good because it cinches your upper body and then your lower body looks super flowy and nice. Again, we have this entire embroidery detailing going on, and at the bottom we have this big chunk of embroidered detail going on. It also has a lining inside, so you don't have to worry about it being transparent. The only thing I don't like about this kurta is that this little thingy that is attached here in the front, it's slightly cross, so at the mid waist where there is a cut, it kind of looks tilted. That's the only problem with that. And this is how the pant looks like, pretty simple and basic. And again, at the bottom we have this little crocheted, not crocheted exactly, but looks crocheted embroidery work which just ties with the kurta. And the last kurta set is actually my least favorite kurta set. Because I bought it, I'm gonna show you, but mostly I will return this. Let's see if I can manage to do something with this, or else I'll most probably return it because I don't feel like it looks flattering on my body. So this is the last one, this green colored kurta. We have this little V-neck with this pattern going on, which is really nice. The kurta is really nice, I love it. It's just the pajama that I have issues with. It just has this little folded kind of a work going on both the sides, and at the bottom again we have this pattern that's going on at the neck and at the sleeves of the hand. This one does not have a 3/4 hand, it's more of a full hand kind of a thing, and it has like a slightly flared kind of a sleeve, which actually looks good. The kurta looks really good. I don't have any issues with the kurta. It's just the pant that I have issues with. It's so weird. It's neither straight fit nor like a palazzo. It's in between a Punjabi pajama and a straight fit. Here it's like super big, which makes it look like a Punjabi pajama, but then at the bottom somehow it goes into a straight fit or an ankle length kind of a fit. So I do not like the pant, but I think the material is rayon, but it's super flowy and looks very pretty. If you do not have a problem with the pant, you can go ahead and buy this set. I'm just not a fan of the pant. So yeah, that's all the kurta sets that I bought. These kurta sets, like I mentioned, are perfect for this summer. College is reopening, or if you're joining for work, these kurta sets will be perfect. Also, I don't know if I mentioned or not, these kurta sets are slightly big for me, so I have to get it altered. In Meesho, it's pretty hard to find sizes that fit me perfectly. Even in Myntra, sizes don't fit me, but at this point I don't even have anything to complain because I'm used to getting it altered. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope this video was informative or useful for you. Again, I will compile all the links of these kurtas into one link, and I will mention it in the description box as products link. so you can go check them out. If you like any, you can go purchase them. Yeah, if you like this video, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, it's bye from Ashmita.